Scrambled egg for one, you can save time by microwaving it. First, of course, crack an egg into a microwave-safe bowl. Add salt, pepper, or seasonings. Or like me, try a dash of soy sauce. Take a fork or chopsticks and scramble well. Then put in the microwave and cook for 30 seconds per egg. Remove from the microwave and stir and fluff lightly with a fork. Don't worry about there being a little liquid left. The residual heat from the thermal energy of the microwave will continue cooking the egg. Do not put it back in the microwave to continue cooking, or you will overcook your scrambled egg and it will be dry and not as delicious. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, watch one of these other videos on how to hard boil or poach eggs in the microwave. And thanks for watching Randy's Family Kitchen.